Describe if you enjoy cooking. I enjoy cooking at home. I usually cook in the evening. I like to cook rice, eggs, and noodles. I often cook for my family. Cooking makes me happy because I can share food with them. Sometimes it is not easy, but I learn new things. Cooking is fun for me. Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking at home.
When do you usually cook?
I usually cook in the evening.
What food do you like to cook?
I like to cook rice, eggs, and noodles.
Who do you often cook for?
I often cook for my family.
How does cooking make you feel?
Cooking makes me happy
Why does cooking make you happy?
because I can share food with my family.
Is cooking always easy for you?
No, sometimes it is not easy.
What do you learn from cooking?
I learn new things.
How do you feel about cooking in general?
Cooking is fun for me.